Hi everyone. So my screen is visible.
Yes, it's visible.
Yes. Yesterday task in Java was to do the Hello World program and just do the installation part. So anyone who is facing problem in installation of JDK or ID, is there anyone who is facing any issues in the installation? So most of you have downloaded Eclipse, I think, for Java, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. And if you want to install IntelliJ, that is of JetBrains, it is premium software, but you will get free with your student ID. You need to just sign up here with your college ID. They will send an OTP. You have to just confirm, verify your account, and you will get a lot of premium software like IntelliJ will be for Java development, and there is also a PHP Storm that is for front end and web development, front end and back end database, as well as PHP mostly. Okay, and there are many other software that you will get here. You can register here and do your part, whatever you want to download and use the software. Okay. Second thing is that what I was going to share with you all about the books. Uh, there are three books that we will be doing. One is Java for Dummies, that will be our main book that we will be following for theory part. Then there are two other books. This one is Teach Java in 21 days. That's why this is by an American professor and it's of Macmillan publication. And third one is just for the theory part, that is what are the tools that we have in Java and how to write or utilize that in our code. These three books that we will be doing. Okay, and the most recommended was Java for Dummies. That's must. You must know this book by every line. What's the author want to say, because this is just a Bible for beginner in Java. We will be doing in a part. I will share all the three PDFs with you all, and whatever you need to be done, I will tell you the parts that this much portion from page this to this has to be discussed for tomorrow. Just read that part, and whatever you don't understand, we will discuss it here. Okay.
Okay.
So I want to ask, what was your experience about the first code in Java? If anyone has done C, I know that Java is a bit complicated, but there are many tools and it's purely object-oriented programming language. So there are a lot of benefits. We are doing web development. There also it will be beneficial for all of us, as well as when you want to go in app development. Okay, so from today, our basic course in Java will start. I will tell you what are the lectures that has to be seen, and we will discuss that tomorrow morning. And the pages that you have to read from which book. Okay, and for sure, you will have to read the first chapter of this book. That is, yeah, introduction about the Java, how it began, and the main thing about object and classes. A brief introduction has been given in the first chapter, but it's explained. Means the explanation in the book is very good. Means you will just love it after reading this book. Okay, so we will do this part, chapter one. Okay,
Okay.
today. Yes.
Can you provide the PDF of the book?
Yes, yes, I will provide the PDF of all the three books. Also, I will share the course material, everything related to Java materials. Okay. One is
Thank
from
you.
Durgasoft. That's an institute that teaches coding in Hyderabad. Their material also I will share, as well as we will have after we complete a further section in Java, I will send some programs. You have to write that, and we will discuss that. Don't worry, that's no marks or something. You just need to try it. Give your 100%. If it's not coded by you, then no problem, no issues. We will discuss it, but give your 100%, and we will just discuss that, and also we will discuss the optimal way of doing that same program, what can be done so that it takes minimum time for compilation. Okay, we will discuss that, and we will have 2 to 3 codes daily after further sections, we complete further sections. Okay, so anything you want to ask? Just it was an introduction you had yesterday, I think, about Java. Now from today, you all will have a good introduction to Java about the data types and I think typecasting, etc. Okay, so how was your experience at Java?
Too many lines of code.
Yes, but you will have a benefit of that in creating objects or something, patterns. You will see that why it's too many lines of code. But if you are using a good IDE, IntelliJ or Eclipse, I think the first the syntax is already there. You need to write the main code. So anyone who needs help in installation of JDK or IDE, you can say. Otherwise, and the meeting was just about the introduction and what we will do in the books. Okay.